Amazing. This is our trade today on Bitcoin. So feel much welcome. Feel much welcome today. Hello, hello. How is the going, guys? Hope you're doing awesome. I hope you're doing amazing, traders. This is Bitcoin. I can see on the chart two scripts and Jacinth around there too. I hope you guys are doing amazing. And sure you share the live. So this is Bitcoin, okay? I'm watching this guy and I can see that today, this guy, what it can do is that it can, right now it will possibly sell and then later on you can see it again rolling to the upside and then selling again. So it can do that. Right now it can continue selling and then later on you see it again going bullish side and then sell once more before we continue up officially, you know. Okay, so I believe you can hear me still. So this is what's going to happen there. We have a 15-minute favor lookup up there. Possibly Bitcoin is here. We'll retest this level. Let me just show you. We might get a retest of this level here. We might get a retest of this level, 15-minute FVG, before we push lower. So this is what I can ask you right now, because I just want to leave. There is something I want to do on the side. I just came and I'm going again. So it is still at the entry point. It has not even done any much. So this is what I can request you to do. You can retain the entry if you can survive the risk and things like that. But in case, if you know maybe you might not be so much good in understanding what's going on, you can scratch out, because I can come back maybe after something like 1 hour or 2 hours. I'm just leaving. I would have helped you maybe to manage it, something of that sort. So if you're okay with that, you can just leave it. But if not, you can just scratch out, because it's still at the entry point. And then when I come back after 1 minute, 1 hour possibly, we can see what to do. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just logging out. And even as I'm leaving, I can see it is pushing up. So this is the deal. This is the deal. We are marking. We have this. We have a favor lookup at this level. Let me show you on the 15 minutes time frame. Was it on 15? Yeah, on 15 minutes time frame. Happy on 15 minutes time frame. You can see I'd already marked this favor lookup. You see. So we have this favor lookup at this level. The market is maybe possibly coming to retest it before we continue down further. Okay. And since I'm leaving, that's just maybe what I can request you now. You can decide, because it will come around this level, pin it, retrace back to this level and do something like that. And maybe that's possibly where we can start seeing the market rolling strongly to the lower side. So you can either do those two things. You can decide to wait for a pullback and scratch out, something of that sort, or you just leave it like that, because at the end of the day, as long as you have placed that entry, it is something possibly you're willing to risk. You can wait for it to test this 15-minute favor lookup, and then you wait for a retest and continue with the trade, as simple as that. So maybe in something like 1 hour time, after 1 hour, possibly I will be able to be around again. I'm just moving out because of something, but it's a trade that I believe is nice. It will possibly just come to that favor lookup, do some retest, recoil, and we continue bearish. But just for the sake of maybe those who might not be able to manage it efficiently, okay? So I'm out briefly, something like maybe in 1 hour time frame. Maybe I will be back again. We see how we continue. There's just something I've just popped up. Just want to address, and then I see whether I will be able to be back later on. Okay. So have it best, traders. Let's see how the day will end. So I think I've given you exactly what you're supposed to do. If in case you know you're not sure and you can't manage the trade alone, it is at the entry still. You can just scratch out with something small, whatever it is, and then when maybe I come back after that, we'll see what to do. Or you can wait for it, come to the 1 hour favor lookup, the 15-minute favor lookup, you see how it retest, and then you continue down. So let me just see what I'm doing on the side. In a few moments from now, something like 1 hour, maybe I will be back again. We see how we are doing this thing. So thank you so much. I can see right now we have 5 people around watching. I can see on the chat too. Skip was talking. Jacinth said hello. Okay, awesome. Okay, so I think I made it clear. Thank you so much for being around, guys. I'm just logging out briefly. Okay. I hope you don't have any question on the chat. In case I am not seeing any other question apart from those who talked there. Yeah. I'm out, guys. I will be back in some moments from now, possibly. Oh, two skip was asking retrace. Or you asking about that retracement? I believe that's just a retracement, but since I'm leaving, I would have helped you to manage the trade. But since I'm leaving, I'm asking you, in case if it retrace, because it's still at the entry point anyways, you can just decide to maybe move out briefly and then wait for raters of the favor lookup and see how you're getting in. But although right now you know the bias, what I'm thinking, you know, and now you know what I'm thinking there. Yeah. Okay. So it's just, yeah, it's a retracement. If you're asking that question, possibly it's just a retracement. Okay. So I'm out, guys. See you maybe later on, something of that sort. We see what's popping, okay?